Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Tech and Web. Number 1, Tramontina Seattle Triply-Clad Stainless Steel. The Tramontina 80116/005D S Professional Fry Pan is a high-performance 10-inch skillet designed for both home and commercial kitchens. Made from durable, heavy-gauge aluminum, it ensures even heat distribution, while its PFOA-free nonstick coating allows for easy food release and hassle-free cleanup. This NSF-certified pan is oven-safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and features a removable stainless steel handle with a silicone grip for comfort and control. Compatible with gas, electric, and ceramic glass cooktops, but not induction, it's a versatile tool ideal for searing, sautéing, and frying with professional-grade results. As of today, it's available on Amazon at a discounted price of $39.95, reflecting a 33% reduction from its original price. Number 2, Staub Ceramics 4-piece baking pan set. The Staub Ceramics 4-piece baking pan set is a versatile collection designed to meet various baking and serving needs. This set includes a 7.5 by 6-inch rectangular baking dish, a 9-inch oval baking dish, and a 9 by 9-inch square baking dish with a lid, all crafted from durable stoneware with a vitreous glass porcelain enamel finish that resists scratching and ensures even heat distribution. The elegant design transitions seamlessly from oven to table, making it ideal for both everyday meals and special occasions. As of today, this set is available on Amazon at a discounted price of $149.99, reflecting a 32% reduction from its original price. Number 3, Full Star Vegetable Chopper. The Full Star Vegetable Chopper is a versatile kitchen tool designed to streamline your meal preparation. Equipped with 4 interchangeable stainless steel blades, it effortlessly chops, dices, and spiralizes a variety of vegetables, reducing prep time significantly. The chopper features a 5-cup capacity catch tray to minimize mess, and a non-slip base for stability during use. As of today, it's available on Amazon at a discounted price of $25, reflecting a 50% reduction from its original price. Number 4, Creuset Signature Enameled Cast Iron Stainless. The Le Creuset Signature Enameled Cast Iron Round Dutch Oven 5.5 quart offers excellent heat distribution and retention, perfect for slow cooking, braising, and baking. Its durable enamel resists chipping, while the ergonomic handles and tight-fitting lid enhance usability. Compatible with all cooktops, including induction, it is also oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. As of today, it's available on Amazon for $336, down from $420. Number 5, Ninja BL770 Mega Kitchen System. The Ninja BL770 Mega Kitchen System is a versatile kitchen appliance that combines a powerful 1,500-watt motor with multiple attachments to handle a variety of food preparation tasks. It includes a 72-ounce blender pitcher for creating smoothies and frozen drinks, an 8-cup food processor bowl for chopping and dough mixing, and 2 16-ounce Nutri Ninja cups with to-go lids for personalized beverages. This system is designed to replace multiple kitchen appliances, streamlining your cooking process. As of today, it's available on Amazon at a discounted price of $149.99. Number 6, Crock-Pot SCV700S Stainless 7-quart Manual. The Crock-Pot 7-quart manual slow cooker is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to serve over 8 people or accommodate a 7-pound roast. It offers high and low cooking settings, along with a convenient warm setting to keep dishes at an ideal serving temperature. The removable oval stoneware and glass lid are dishwasher safe, ensuring easy cleanup. As of today, it's available on Amazon at a discounted price of $35, reduced from its original price of $50. Number 7, Yosukata 13.5-inch pre-seasoned carbon steel wok pan. The Yosukata 13.5-inch pre-seasoned carbon steel wok pan is a versatile kitchen tool designed for high-heat cooking methods like stir-frying, pan-frying, braising, and deep-frying. Crafted from heavy-duty black carbon steel, it ensures even heat distribution and retention, essential for locking in flavors and juices. The wok comes pre-seasoned at high temperatures over 600 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing for immediate use, though additional seasoning can enhance its nonstick properties. Its flat-bottom design makes it compatible with various stovetops, including gas, electric, and induction. The ergonomic wooden handle provides a comfortable grip and remains cool during cooking. As of today, it's available on Amazon at a discounted price of $57. Number 8. Magic Bullet Blender. The Magic Bullet Blender is a compact and versatile kitchen appliance designed for quick and easy food preparation. Equipped with a 250-watt motor, it efficiently handles tasks like blending smoothies, mixing sauces, and chopping vegetables. The 11-piece set includes multiple cups and lids, allowing for convenient on-the-go use, and all components are dishwasher-safe for effortless cleaning. As of today, it's available on Amazon at a discounted price of $40, reduced from its original price of $50. Number 9. Lodge 15-inch Seasoned Cast Iron Pizza Pan. The Lodge 15-inch Seasoned Cast Iron Pizza Pan is a versatile kitchen tool designed to deliver restaurant-quality, crispy pizza crusts right at home. Crafted in the USA from durable cast iron, this pan ensures excellent heat distribution and retention, promoting even cooking and browning. Its rimless design allows for edge-to-edge baking, accommodating large 14-inch pizzas, while dual handles provide a secure grip for easy transport. Pre-seasoned with 100% natural vegetable oil, it's ready for immediate use and resists warping at high temperatures. Beyond pizza, this pan is ideal for baking biscuits, roasting vegetables, and even grilling. As of today, it's available on Amazon at a discounted price of $40, reduced from its original price of $60. Number 10. Cuisinart Round Classic Waffle Maker. The Cuisinart Round Classic Waffle Maker is a compact appliance that bakes one large traditional-style waffle. It features a 5-setting browning control and regulating thermostat, allowing customization of waffle crispness. Indicator lights signal when the unit is ready to bake and when waffles are done. The non-stick baking plates ensure easy waffle release and cleanup. As of today, it's available on Amazon at a discounted price of $19.95, reduced from its original price of $29.95. Number 11. Aroma Housewares. 4 cups. Cooked ARC302N GP. The Aroma Housewares 4-cup cooked/1 quart. Rice and grain. Cooker ARC302NGP is a compact and efficient appliance designed for small households or individuals. It features simple one-touch operation and automatically switches to a warm mode once cooking is complete, ensuring your rice stays at an ideal temperature until you're ready to eat. The cooker is versatile, suitable for preparing not only rice but also oatmeal, chili, jambalaya, soups, and more. Its non-stick removable inner pot and all accessories are dishwasher safe, making cleanup effortless. As of today, it's available on Amazon at a discounted price of $19.99. Number 12. Calphalon Classic. Stainless steel 10-piece cookware set. The Calphalon Classic stainless steel 10-piece cookware set is a versatile collection designed for both novice and seasoned cooks. This set includes 8-inch and 10-inch fry pans, 1.5 quart and 2.5 quart saucepans with covers, a 3-quart sauté pan with cover, and a 6-quart stock pot with cover. Each piece features an impact-bonded aluminum base for even heating, convenient measuring marks, pour spouts, and straining covers to enhance cooking efficiency. The long stainless steel handles stay cool on the stovetop, ensuring safe handling. Oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and dishwasher safe for easy cleanup, this set combines functionality with durability. As of today, it's available on Amazon at a discounted price of $199.99, reduced from its original price of $239.99.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.